Hello guys, welcome to Kalyug QA. So today's our topic we are going to talk some challenges in the manual testing, and we know that there are a lot of manual QAs. Freshers are there who are little bit feared or afraid about what will happen if they don't know the automation. So and also the main question is that what type of or which automation tools. There are a lot of tools available, there are a lot of multiple methods available in the market, multiple frameworks are available. So they generally have the doubt that which tool we should learn. If we are going to learn one tool, then another tool will come, then third tool will come. So what tools they should prefer for their career, so that those at least those things should be more helpful for the QA career, and they can sustain the QA career to ahead. So I will tell you with some basic tools, some basic things which a QA or fresher QA or manual QA should learn, and his package and his career growth will be increased and chances will be increased, and also he will have a good impression in the team wherever he is going. So first thing I want to tell you is first tool, or and also one thing I want to say that you don't have to learn this tool thoroughly, because nobody can think or nobody can learn this tool thoroughly. So you have to just do is that you have to understand or the basic concept of the tools. You have to understand the basic phenomena or working logic of that tool, how it works, because if any updates will also come in the market, then you don't have to worry about that. So basically you have to understand the basic concept. So I will say 30 to 40% of tool. If you understand 32% of any tool, then it will be easy for you to crack the interviews and anything, right? So firstly I will tell you one thing is the JMeter. So JMeter is an open source tool. First thing is it's open source tool, and second one is the I will talk firstly about all the tools, and then I will elaborate little bit about them. So first tool you have to understand is the JMeter, which is open source tool and which works for the performance testing. Second one is the Selenium with Java. I will tell you what the reason I am saying to the third one. You have to learn the SOAP UI, which is mainly commonly used for API testing and API response testing. Fourth one is the Catalan tool, which is also free version, freeware. Its license version is available, but freeware will also work for you, and you can easily grab the attention of the people in the interview and all. So you have to, so first is the JMeter is an open source tool which is Java JMeter, and you can perform performance testing, load testing, stress testing using JMeter. And using the JMeter, sorry for the noise, background noise near me, because I am recording this video in a little bit open space. So you can see JMeter for performance testing is very important. You have to do, and it's open source, so you can easily understand the data, and material is easily available. If you understand the basic concept of JMeter, 30 to 40% only, and it's very easy. Maybe I will cover in my next of the videos about the basic concepts. And once you understand, it's same like if you know how to run the bicycle, you can run any bicycle. If you know basic of any driving any bike, then you can drive Bullet, Pulsar, any Yamaha bike you can. Same way, you if you know the basic of tool, you can run any tool, any type of that tool, because the tools are making the similar way only. So JMeter is for performance testing. You have to learn it 30 to 40% only. For second one is the Selenium with Java. You know Java is freeware, open source it is. Selenium is easily available, which is also open source. So at least 32% knowledge of the Selenium, basic command, basic Java, polymorphism, OOPS concept. If you are aware of, it will be easy for you to crack the interview, because I know the same thing, right? And I have cracked in my 10 years of career, 10 years of experience, I have cracked a lot of interviews. Only 2 or 3 interviews I have failed maybe, but I don't know that, but I have faced interviews, and I have worked for many multinational companies, TCS, Mastercard, CMC and all. So this concept logically this will work for you guys also. Third one I said is the SOAP UI. SOAP UI is also mainly, as your name said, is open source. It has a license version, but it's open source is also equivalent, and it's workable for everybody in the company. So it's work for the API testing. You can test the API and load also on the API. Same with the Postman. If you know the Postman, it is same as the SOAP UI, but it's freeware. So you can do response testing, API testing using the SOAP UI. Now comes the last one I said is Catalan. Catalan is emerging in the market and it's above the Selenium. It's above the Selenium means it has reduced all the drawbacks of the Selenium. It has made all the easiness which Selenium doesn't have. You don't have to make the more of the libraries. You don't have to import libraries. You don't have to create different classes or kind of thing. Each and everything it has covered, and it has provided test cases and different folder structure directly, object repository directly, so you can learn. So these four tools, I must say, I am creating this a very short note video: JMeter, Selenium with Java, Catalan, and SOAP UI4. These four things, if you have learned in your career, and only 30 to 40%, you can easily crack any interview and you can go ahead in the career with a huge package. So remember my thing, and if you have any doubts, any question on detailing out, just ask me. I will provide you each and every knowledge about these things. Thank you guys.